Hi guys, it's another YouTube homework helper. Tonight we're going to be adding. We're going to be adding 2-digit, 3-digit, and 4-digit numbers. So let's get adding. First of all, we better go through some reminders. I want you to look at what I've written down as a reminder. I want you to see that we have 4 place values: ones, tens, hundreds, and the thousands. And remember that thousands is going to have a comma right beside it. Remember that sum means that we're going to be adding, and that each place value can only hold up to 9. After that, oh, it's too heavy, and they have to carry the rest to the next place value. Look at the example I have down below, and I'll show you. Notice right here in the ones place, I have 8 plus 4, so I pound my 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is bigger than the number 9, so I'm going to have to put my 2 at the bottom, and I'm going to have to carry the 1 over to the tens place. Now you notice up at the top, right here, I have a 1. So we're going to add the 5 that are already in the tens place, plus 1, plus the other 1, which gives us 72 as our answer. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can do some bigger numbers. All right, first of all, I see that there are 2 sides. So one side I'm going to do, and the next side you're going to try yourself. Let's look at what my side says to do. It says, what is the sum? That means the answer to an adding problem. I want the sum of 287 and 63. So I'm going to need to set my problem up. I've gone ahead and done that, and I've set up 3 digits plus 2 digits. Notice that I lined them up very carefully. I'm going to look at the ones place. 7 plus 3. I pop my 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. That is bigger than 9, so I'm going to have to carry my 1 over to the tens place. Next, I like to pick my biggest number and then add the other ones on. So 8 is my biggest number. I'm going to pop 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is adding 6. And then I add that other one on at the end, which is 15, which is bigger than 9. So I'm going to have to add, I'm going to have to carry my 1 to the hundreds place. And now I just have 2 plus 1, which is 3. My answer should be 350. Do you see that other side where it says you try? Go ahead and pause the video, try that one, and come on back and we'll check it. Okay, did you try it out yourself? Did you say what is the sum? The answer to an adding problem of 769 and 72. Did you set your number up correctly? 9 plus 2 was 11. Did you remember to carry your 1? 7 plus 6 is 13, and 1 more is 14. Carry that 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Did you get 841? Let's try some even bigger numbers. All right. What is the sum, the answering to an adding problem, of 1,088 and 6,283? I went ahead and set my problem up already, so I'm ready to go. Let's start in the ones place. 8 plus 3, that's an arrow. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is greater than 9, so I'm going to have to carry the 1. 1 goes here, and 1 goes up here. 8 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 1 more makes 17, which is greater than 9, so I'm going to have to carry the 1. 2 plus nothing is 2, add 1 more is 3. Do I have to carry a 1? No, because I'm strong enough to carry a 3. So I'm going to put my 3 right there. I'm going to drop my comma, and then I have 6, and 1 more is 7. So I have the answer 7,371. Do you see the side that says you try? Pause the video, you try it, and we'll check it together. Okay, did you set up your problem? 9 plus 7 more is going to be 16. We're going to carry the 1 because that number is greater than 9. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 1 more is 6. I don't have to carry a 1 there because I can hold a 6. It's not greater than 9. 5 plus 3 was 8. Did not have to carry a 1 there. Drop my comma. 7 plus 4 is 11, so I have 11,866. That's a pretty big number. Do you see how important it is to make sure your numbers are all lined up so they don't get confused with one another? Let's try some other numbers. All right, this time I see what's the sum, which is an answering problem, it is a answer to a addition problem, and I'm adding 4 digits and I'm adding 3 digits. So we're going to have to be careful the way we set this one up. Take a look at what I did. I made sure that I didn't put anything in the thousands place here because there are no thousands. I have 9,392, but I'm going to be adding to that 746 with no thousands. So I'm going to the ones place. Right here is my ones place. All right, 6, 7, 8. You know what? I don't need to carry anything over to the tens place because I am strong enough to carry the 8. 9 plus 4, I'm going to pop my 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is greater than 9. So I'm going to put my 3 at the bottom and I carry my 1 over to the hundredths place. I have 7 as my greatest number. 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I add that other one on, which is 11. And we've seen that already a couple of times. The 1 goes down here, the other one goes up at the top. I drop my comma. Now we have 9 plus 1, and that is 10. So our answer is 10,138. Try the 1 next to it, and come on back and we'll check it together. Okay, let's see. Did you set your problem up correctly? I'm going to change to purple now. All right, did you say that 5 plus 7 was 12? That is too big, so we're going to have to carry it over to the tens place. 9 is my bigger number. I added on 8, which is 17, and 1 more, which is 18. We're going to carry the 1. 5 is my biggest number. I added on 1, which is 6, plus 1 more, which is 7. I did not have to carry a 1 to the other side. Drop down my comma, and I just put my 7 down. 7,782. Did you get that? I hope so. Okay, we're at that really difficult challenge now. So I'm not even going to help you out with this one. I want you to try your best on this. Pause it, come on back, and we'll check it together, okay? All right. First of all, I'm going to let you know that in class, we're going to be using graph paper because that helps keep all our numbers right in line, and that really helps us keep up with some of these larger numbers. So let's take a look at our ones place right here. 9 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is bigger than 9, so I'm going to have to put my 6 right here, and I carry my 1 over to the tens place. 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I'm going to add that 1 more on, which makes 12, which is larger than 9. So the 2 goes here, and the 1 gets carried over to the hundredths place. I have 9 as my biggest number, so I pop my 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I add 1 more, which makes 14. This number's getting big. Putting my 4 right here, and I am carrying my 1 over to the thousands place. I make sure that I drop down my comma, and I have 9 plus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Add 1 more, which makes 19. That gives me 19,426. That is a really big number. I hope that you came up with that really big number and that you weren't afraid of this challenge. Great job in finding the sums of 2-digit, 3-digit, and 4-digit numbers. Bye for now.